What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a how-to construction video, a detailed video on how to tile around the shower niche. Gonna show you guys that right step by step how I do it, how I tile the shower niche. I'm gonna show you the product that I'm using right now. In the back here, I'm gonna be using this pebble stone tile to match the floor. You can see the floor tile. There's a pebble stone on the shower floor. So I'm going to be matching that on the back, and then on the side I'm going to be wrapping around this tile that's outside here. So I finished tiling around the shower niche, just simple tile around the shower niche. And then for the base, I'm going to be using this quartz. Right, I'd like to use the quartz on the base over here to prevent leaking. Right, so I'm going to install the quartz, and then the edging, there's a plastic edging that goes here. This edging right here to match this one, white plastic edging, gonna go all the way around, and then I'm gonna finish up with the tile in here and in the back here. So let's get started with the quartz. First thing I'm gonna do is take some measurements here. So 4 inches, okay, by 21. So alright, so I'm gonna cut this and show you how I cut it and install it. I'm using an angle grinder to cut the tile. Finish cutting this, it fits perfectly. I'm gonna give you guys a look here. I didn't thin set it down yet, so make sure you put your level on it, make sure it's level like this, and then it's level. It's not level like this, it needs to be at a slope. So as you can see, I have about a 1/8 slope, right? So I'm gonna install this piece, and then do the stone in the back here. White thin set, ultra flex. So you wanna get it to a peanut butter consistency. See right there. So I'm gonna put some in the back here also. Alright, check to see if it's level. So that's good there. The pebbles on the back. Remove each one piece by piece and install them. Alright, so I finished with the pebble stone and the base, the quartz base. So now I have to cut the plastic edging to go all the way around. And install that and then cut the pieces of tile and that'll be finished there. Alright, so I'm gonna take the measurements for the edging that's here. I'm gonna cut 3 pieces, 11 and 7/8, 11 and 7/8, and 20 and 7/8. Alright, so this is the edging. So it's 3/8 edging, Schluter system, bright white. Alright. Using an angle grinder to cut it. There. So that's one piece right there. Have to cut 3 more pieces. Okay, so this is the edging here. See, it's gonna miter right there. Gonna fit like this, so 3 pieces. Right, I'm gonna cut these pieces now to fit inside here, up here, over here, and then that's gonna be the basic shower niche, how to tile a shower niche. Okay, so I'm gonna install this piece here. and 3/8 inch. So 3 and 3/8. Cut 2 pieces here, install them. Alright, so this is the first piece. I'll put this right here. Make sure it's level. Alright, so I'm gonna install these pieces here. Alright, so one side finished there. I'm gonna do the other side now. Alright, so finish tiling the shower niche here. I'm gonna give you a look. You see the grout line matches going around, and on the bottom going up. So all you need to do is grout and it's finished. Alright guys, so that's another video for you guys on how to tile a shower niche with a quartz base, some pebble stone, plastic edging, and wrapping around the tile on the side, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.